Hi guys, welcome to the tutorial of computer graphics programming with OpenGL. In the previous lecture series we have studied about the basic functions of the line, point and pixel functions and their operation. Today we will study about the polygon function, the different varieties of the polygon function used in the OpenGL. In this tutorial we will study about the polygon with rectangle. Rectangle with the vertices, polygon, the main polygon function of OpenGL, how to draw the hexagonal polygon with the polygon function, triangle function, multi-triangle function, how to draw multiple triangle strip and triangle fan function. So now let us start polygon with the rectangle function. If you want to draw the rectangle, we will give the vertices of the diagonal, that is two endpoints of the diagonal, x1 y1 x2 y2. Now let us start. The base code is given in the description. You can download the base code and now you can start the execution of the project. We are working on the Visual Studio. Go to new project, Visual C++ empty project. Write the name of the project, polygon example. You can write your own name. How to set the environment and other dependencies. Go to the first lecture series, you will get the complete detail. Go to the project name, right click on the project name, go to the add button, go to new item, go to C++ file, write the file name, add the file to the project. Now go to the base code. The base code is given in the description. You can download from here. Copy the base code. This is the base code and these are the examples related to the base code. Paste the base code here. We need to paste our function at this place. You can change the name of the function, polygon. If you are changing, change the name also here. The base code name, we want the window, polygon. The base code is almost same for the previous tutorial and this tutorial what we have studied. Set the environment, go to the project name, go to properties, go to C++, general, additional, include directories. We need to add header files. Go to the desktop or where you have copy and pasted the glue and glut folder. Free glut, include, select folder. The second one is for the glue file. For me, I have pasted the glue and glut folder on the desktop. Glue, include, select folder. Okay. Go to linker button, go to general tab, additional library directories. This time we will go for the library function, library file, desktop, same procedure, library, this time for the glue, select, okay, input. Now go to input, additional dependencies, go to edit button, right here, freeglut.lib, glue 32.lib. Apply. Okay, sorry, excuse me. Now go to the code. We want to execute the GL rectangle. Copy the code for the rectangle. The two diagonal endpoints are given. You can paste the code here. We need to write GL end function. that is necessary. Now we can execute our project, debug the project. One thing is missing, that is free glut file. Before execution, go to the glue and glut folder, copy these two files, DLL file, and go to the project name, right click, open folder in Windows Explorer, paste the code here, DLL files. Now execute the project, debug the project again. This is the output. We have drawn the rectangle with the two vertices, given vertices of the diagonals. This is the output. The base code, if you will see, it's almost same from the previous tutorial and in this tutorial. Only we are working upon the functions, opengl routines. This is the opengl routine for the rectangle. I stand for the integer values. The pixel values are given in integer format. Now the second code is about the rectangle function with end points or vertices name. How to give this one? For this one, you can give the vertices name with integer p1 and p2. That is, p1 and p2 are the endpoints of the two endpoints of the diagonal. Copy the code here. Copy the complete code. P1 and P2. You can give the vertices values with the help of the name P1 and P2. The vertices values for this example, I have taken this one. It is two endpoints of the diagonal, GL rectangle. I stand for the integer and V stand for the vertex, and P1 and P2 are the vertices name. Again, debug the project. First to build the project. This is the output of the second example, rectangle function with vertices. Now go for the third example about the polygon function, the main polygon function. You can use this polygon function in multiple ways. GL begin, GL polygon. The third example is given here. You can copy the code. P1, P2, P3, P4, the four endpoints of the vertices. P1, P2, P3, P4, they are the four endpoints, and you need to provide the values. We are calling the functions. Again, copy the code from this point to this point, because we are changing the code at this place. Control V. So you can change the color of the output. That is your image from here. GL color 3F, red color. P1 50 100, P2 400 100, P3 P4. In OpenGL, when it is drawing it is about to draw the polygon. It is actually in the anti-clockwise direction. You need to follow the anti-clockwise sequence. That is P1 at this place, next P2, next P3, next P4. You need to take care about this one when you are providing the values for the polygon. That is P1, P2, P3, P4. If you will change the vertices position from the polygon function, you will get different output. So take care about this thing. This is the output for our example. Suppose that we want to change the direction. P1, P2, P3, P4, they are in the anti-clockwise direction. if I will change P2 and P1, you will not get the desired output, because it will go to the first anti-clockwise direction and you will get a different output. This will be the output or another output you will get. So sequence is very important for the polygon function, that is anti-clockwise direction. P1, the vertices position should be in anti-clockwise. P1, P2, P3 and P4. Whenever you are drawing the polygon, two-dimensional polygon with polygon function, you need to take care about the anti-clockwise direction of the vertices. The next example we are going to draw about how to draw the hexagonal with polygon. We need to take care about the coordinate geometry, what are the pixel position, how to write the coordinate name P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6. These are the 6 vertices of the hexagonal. They are written in P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6 and the values are given here. Now we will go for hexagonal function. Copy the code from the example 4, copy this code and paste it to the code up to this point. Other base code definitions are already discussed. What is the use of the other functions? From the previous tutorial you can study. Debug the code. We have already set the environment, we are just changing the code here, so no need to set the external dependencies. This is the output for the hexagonal. We are having more functions, that is called as triangle. We can draw the triangle with the help of polygon function also. How can we draw the polygon? Actually, to draw the polygon we need P1, P2, P3. That is at least 3 vertices from the same one. Suppose that this is our polygon P1, P2, P6. This is one triangle. If you want to generate how to draw the triangle P1, P2, P6, if you will take these 3 vertices, you can draw the triangle. So first we will check how to draw from the polygon function only a triangle P1, P2 and P6. Make the comment. For other vertices we are having only in the output P1, P2 and P6. Execute the program. We are getting the output P1, P2, P6. So the next function is about the triangle. How to use the triangle function? The triangle function is about the multiple triangle. You can draw multiple triangle from the same time. This is the triangle function. The code is given. That is multiple triangle at the same time how to draw, and we will see what is the difference actually in the output. If you will see for the GL triangle, this is the function or routine of the OpenGL P1, P5, P6. For our triangle we are taking P1, P5 and P6. Maybe our code is different from this figure. P1, P5 and P6. P1, P2, and P3. Something is missing, we need to execute. These are the two triangles. P1 is P1, P5 and P6. The second triangle we are drawing, P2, P3 and P4. P1 is 200, 100. P5 is 200, 480. And P6 is 50, 300. That is this triangle. P1, P5. What is P5? P5 is 200, 480 and 50, 300. This one P1, P5, P6. This one is our P1. This is P5. This is P6. Now the next function is triangle, multiple triangle. That is P1, P2, P6. For us, actually the coordinate positions are changed. We are taking P1, P5, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6. These are our coordinates: P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and P6. These are the coordinates. Multiple triangle will draw, that is from the triangle function only. We have already drawn. Now we will go to the triangle strip. In the triangle strip, this function, what it will do, GL begin, GL triangle strip, actually it will take the pixel position, 3 vertices continuous, and it will make one triangle, that is P1, P2, P6, one triangle. Next P2, P3, P6, one triangle. Next P6, P3, P5, one triangle. Next P3, P4, P5, that is P1, P2, P6. Next P2, P6, P3, P6, P3, P5, P3, P5, P4. It will take 3 pair in continuous way, and it will draw the triangle strip. The triangle strip is used in different varieties. Copy the code from your source code, paste it to the source code. The external environment is already set. Start debugging. You will get this output. We are having actually 3 triangles: P1, P2, P6, P6, P2, P3. We are having 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles to draw this function, this output. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4 outputs we are having in the continuous way: P1, P2, P6, P2, P6, P3, P6, P3, P5, P3, P5, P4. This is the work of the triangle strip. The next example for the polygon is triangle fan. What is the triangle fan? Actually, it will take the first vertex as the common vertex for the other triangles, and it will take in the pair, that is P1, P2, P3, one triangle. P1, P3, P4, one triangle. P1, P4, P5, one triangle. P1, P5, P6, one triangle. That is the first vertex is actually common for the other triangles, and it will take P1, P2, P3, P1, P3, P4, P1, P4, P5, P1, P5, P6. So let's draw. We are using the triangle fan function in different varieties. in OpenGL. These are the basic functions related to the OpenGL. GL triangle fan. Start debugging. You will get this output. In this one we are having 4 triangles actually. The triangle fan function, it will draw the triangle in first vertex will become the common vertex, another vertex it will draw the triangle fan function. It is also used to draw different functions like sphere, circle and other functions. We will see when we will go for the intermediate level for the OpenGL how to use the triangle function. But these are the all basic functions available in the OpenGL. The next function we are calling, that is called as quad function. This quad function, it is also same another function to draw the quad function, another basic function for the OpenGL. It will draw the quadrilateral in the OpenGL. If you want to draw the quadrilateral in the OpenGL, then we need quad function. It is also polygon. We can also draw this this quad function in place of polygon function. You will see the output for this one, for the GL quad, that is P1, P2, P3, P4, and we are having 2 quad. We are using 4 endpoints of the vertices P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8. That is, we are having 2 different quad, that is 2 different polygon. We are calling it quadrilateral function. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8. That is 2 continuing polygon we are getting. Another remaining function which is called as connected quads. For this one you can use the GL quad strip function. We are calling it connected quads quad strip. The function name is GL quad strip. We will get this output. It will connect the 2 endpoints of the quad. This is all about the polygon functions available in the OpenGL library. These are the basic 2-dimensional polygon function. That is, we have studied about polygon, rectangle, rectangle with polygon, polygon, hexagonal, triangle, multi-triangle, triangle strip, triangle fan, quad, and the remaining one is quadrilateral function, that is quad function. We are using that one. We can draw that thing also. Thank you for watching the channel. This is about the basic code regarding the OpenGL programming. This is the complete tutorial series for OpenGL programming for computer graphics. You can subscribe the channel to watch more videos. It is a complete tutorial about OpenGL. Thank you once again for watching the channel. Please subscribe the channel.